favorites, cakes and pastries. You know what, this is ridiculous. Naubos ang cupcakes mo.
Daddy's favorites, cakes and pastries. Masarap daw kasi.
The nerve.
Bes, bakit parang pakiramdam ko merong masamang elemento na nakatayo sa harapan ko? Pero, oh my God, Bes! I think I'm seeing ghosts! Bes, I'm so scared! Oh my God!
Weirdo!
Let me go! There's something... Pwede ba? Huwag mo na silang patulan. Ha? Can't you see? You can't argue with success, okay?
Ayun lang, okay?
Told you. Sarap talaga. The best.
Actually, nagreact sa sinabi mong yan.
Excuse me, ha? Ayaw niyo ba maniwala na ubos yung paninda ko?
Whatever.
Basta okay? I believe in you.
Babe, ano mo tong pinsan mo?